dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Good morning everyone, this is Yasir Azam. Today I am going to start a chapter for class 9 from the subject biology. And the name of the chapter is Why Do We Fall Ill? Ill, you must have understood, means unwell. So what we are supposed to study in this chapter? The basic two things which we are going to study or explore in this chapter are health and diseases. Although health and diseases are very complex issues or very complex topics, reason being different people have different perspective for health and disease. Some who are able to play the games, they feel themselves as well. Some who are able to think well, they think that they are well. So it depends on the perspective and perceptivity of an individual regarding the health and diseases. But what biology says that we have to discuss. Likewise, you have read in previous chapter cell that cell was the smallest structural and functional unit and capable to perform all the tasks related to the body, related to its function. For example, the RBCs, they are also cells, they carry the gases, they transport the gases. Different cells are having their specific functions they are performing. If one of the cell is not well, definitely it will affect the nearby things or nearby other cells. So what we are going to study, it is the entire well-being of an individual from cellular level to organ level, tissue level, and all the levels of the body. Okay, so what we are going to study in this chapter, we are going to study about health and its failure, disease and its causes, types of diseases, means of spread of diseases, principle of treatment, principle of prevention, and some common microbial diseases. This is the entire content of the chapter which we are supposed to study. So we will move forward step by step from the very first topic, health and its failure. Now, when we talk about health, as I have told you, different people have different perspective for the health. But we have to follow certain standards on which, we can define something. So when we talk about health, so what definition WHO has given? This definition has been given by WHO in 1948. That a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease. If an individual is not having disease, it doesn't mean that he is healthy. Health includes all three factors, that is physical, mental and social. What generally people think about health, they think only about physical health. But in today's scenario, as the people are, hearing a lot of things regarding the corona, people are getting anxious, they are getting, stressed because of the corona that is affecting their mental health. So now people are much aware. Why? Because we are getting friendly with the terminologies related to health. Earlier we were discussing about only physical health. If a person is physically well, he can do all the tasks, if all organs are working well, he is healthy. But now the dimensions are changed. We discuss about physical, mental as well as social well-being of an individual. And health is not limited to only this particular segment. When we talk about health, it is a vast term. You can see when we talk about health, health of an institution can be there. For example, when I am working in an institution, that environment is really healthy. So I am saying, why I am saying healthy? Because it is giving me a comfort to my, profession. It is giving to comfort to my, ego. So what is it? So it is just, a vast topic we can say. So health of an institution, health of, place, any place. For example, if we go to any marriage party, we say what a healthy ambience was there. So healthy means something which is giving you comfort in that way. But biologically what you have to define, the best definition has been given by WHO, that it is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not merely an absence of disease. Remember this point, we will discuss it later in detail. Okay, now we will come one by one to all the parameters of health, like physical, mental and social. When we talk about the physical, it implies that all the organs of our body are working well. For example, I am having heart, kidney, lungs. If my lungs are working well, my heart is working well, my kidney is working well, physically I am feeling good, then it means I am physically fit. When we talk about mental health, and physical health can be determined easily than mental health. It is a some concrete subject. When we talk about mental health, people are suffering from anxiety, stress. It sometimes becomes very difficult to calculate. or you can say the physical health is calculated, mental health is not as calculated as the physical health. Okay, all the different psychiatrists or mental coaches are there who are helping the people to become more healthy person in terms of their thinking capacity. Mentally healthy person has a harmony between himself and the environment. Okay, the harmony between an individual and its environment is mental health. Okay, individual and its environment. For example, there is an student Akshat in the class. Okay, don't mind if there is any Akshat because it is just merely an example. Akshat is in the class, he is really a very good student. But what happens when somebody else comes first in the class, he gets very anxious, very stressed. He starts just, not focusing on his work, he gets, hyper. So what is it? It shows that he is not mentally as fit as it has to be. So mental health cannot be measured in such a way that it could be easily recognized. But yes, it could be counseled, it could be, treated. Okay. Next is your social health. Social is also a very big topic because separate subject is there for social health, that is sociology, in which people understand about the environment, the way they are going to behave socially, their role in the society, what they are going to do. Social health, just like when we purchase our houses or land, so we go to the place and we see the place and we see whether there is park or not, whether nearby there is hospital or not. Why we are saying that? Because it is going to affect my social health. What social health implies is, the human beings have the tendency to live in groups. Okay, so as he or she is living in groups, so he needs to be adjusted somewhere. So for adjustment, he or she needs to be socially fit. This is all about health. Not all about. This is a basic info about the health. You can see. Now, when we talk about health, there may be two categories regarding the health, including public and community issues. Okay, we will discuss public and community issues. Okay, so let us start with the public health services. It is clear from the terminology also when we talk about public health that proper drainage system, proper removal of disposal, clean drinking water, okay, and unadulterated food items, vector and pest control. These all are the public health services which has to be given to the public, and our government ensure it. Okay, you must have seen that in the morning some workers are there cleaning the roads. When you go to hospitals, you see 4th class employee who are cleaning all the time your hospitals, and other services you can include as well, like doctors are also a kind of public service. So those services which provide us essentialities. Okay, for example, if we are living at a place where there is no hygiene, there is no proper sanitation, there is no removal of the waste from the roads, so what will happen? There will be production of diseases. Okay, so public health services includes all these things which I have told now. Now when we talk about community health, it also comes under public health as well. What do you mean by community health? Think of it in your brain for a minute. What do you think of our community health? Okay, community health, basically we are living in, we are social animals, we are living in society. So community health includes basically a social equality and harmony among the people. Okay, eradication of inequalities between the people. It also affects our mental health. Okay, the place where we are living. So that also been affected by the place and by the people surrounding us. Okay, this was basic about health. In upcoming video, we will start with the disease. I hope this much content you would have understand well. And keep doing your best. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep respecting your parents and elders. Thank you, everyone.